Hey everyone! The Reebok Stride represents a confident step forward in Reebok's growing smartwatch lineup, positioning itself as an affordable yet feature-rich wearable designed for everyday users who want a balance between fitness tracking and smart functionality. With a price tag of $99 in the US, it sits neatly between the entry-level Reebok Rush and the slightly more premium Icon, offering a compelling mix of display quality, health monitoring, and connected features without pushing into premium smartwatch territory. One of the most striking aspects of the Stride is its 1.43-inch display with a crisp 466 by 466 resolution. At this price point, AMOLED is still something of a luxury, and it makes a noticeable difference in daily use. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and visibility remains strong even in bright outdoor conditions. The round display gives the watch a classic timepiece look, while the slim, contemporary case design keeps it modern. Under the hood, the Stride focuses heavily on fitness versatility. It supports more than 80 sports modes, covering everything from running and cycling to swimming and general gym workouts. For runners and outdoor enthusiasts, the inclusion of aided GPS is particularly valuable. It allows the watch to deliver more accurate route tracking and distance measurements without fully draining the battery the way some standalone GPS systems can. Health tracking is another core pillar of the Stride experience. Continuous heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen measurement via SpO2 tracking, and sleep analysis provide users with a comprehensive snapshot of their daily wellness. The sleep tracking function breaks down sleep stages to give insight into rest quality, which is increasingly important for recovery and long-term health awareness. Beyond fitness and health, the Stride integrates smart features that enhance everyday convenience. Bluetooth calling allows users to make and receive calls directly from their wrist when paired with a smartphone. Call quality is clear enough for quick conversations, making it useful when your phone is out of reach. Smart notifications ensure that messages, app alerts, and reminders are visible at a glance. Durability is addressed with an IP68 rating, providing resistance against dust and water. This means the Stride can handle sweaty workouts, rain, and even swimming sessions without concern. It reinforces the watch's positioning as a daily wear fitness companion rather than a fragile accessory. Battery life is another strong highlight. With up to 10 days of use on a single full charge under typical conditions, the Stride minimizes charging interruptions. For users accustomed to charging devices every night, this extended endurance feels liberating. Even with moderate use of GPS and Bluetooth calling, the battery performance remains respectable. Overall, the Reebok Stride delivers impressive value for its $99 price point. It combines an attractive display, broad sports support, practical health tracking, Bluetooth calling, and strong battery life in a well-designed package. While it does not aim to compete with high-end smartwatches packed with advanced sensors and app ecosystems, it succeeds in offering a balanced and accessible experience for fitness enthusiasts and everyday users alike. In the increasingly crowded budget smartwatch market, the Stride stands out by delivering premium-feeling features without the premium price. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.